Forgotten by time, this 1955 Porsche 356 Speedster waits silently to be reborn. Every detail tells a story of decay and the promise of restoration. Layers of rust hide the beauty beneath, waiting to be revealed. Inside, time has left its mark, untouched for decades.
A symbol of legacy, slowly coming back to life. Even the ground holds it down, but not for long.
The heart is silent, but not beyond saving. Nature has claimed its space in a machine once alive.
The journey begins from abandonment to restoration.
Slowly, it begins to leave its past behind. Held together, ready for the journey ahead. A new chapter begins, far from decay.
From ruin to precision.
Every step forward brings it closer to life.
Now, the real work begins.
Years of dirt washed away in seconds.
Covered completely, ready to be renewed.
Every stroke brings back its shine.
Every stroke brings back its shine. The original beauty slowly returns. Beneath the damage, the original surface begins to breathe again. Even the smallest spaces demand perfection. Hidden dirt washed away completely. The shine returns, one detail at a time. Vision restored. Clarity returns.
Cleared and dried, ready for the next step.
Now, the inside reveals its condition.
Every bolt removed, step by step. What was hidden is now exposed.
This is where the real work begins.
Even the deepest rust begins to dissolve. What remains is the true structure underneath. Damaged metal, carefully removed. New metal replaces what was lost. Rough edges made smooth again. Protected and ready for rebuilding. The heart is removed for rebirth.
Every part placed with precision. Every internal piece restored to precision.
Even the deepest grime is removed at microscopic level. Corrosion erased in seconds.
Piece by piece, the engine returns.
Hidden beneath, the frame is revealed.
Every joint restored to strength.
Dull metal regains its brilliance.
The heart returns to its place.
Secured with exact precision, every bolt matters.
Life begins again with every drop of oil.
Every imperfection carefully erased. Flaws filled, structure restored. Shape refined, surface perfected.
Protected and ready for transformation.
Foundation applied, new life begins. Smooth, clean, and ready. Original beauty, reborn in silver. Protected with perfection, sealed for brilliance. Time locks in perfection. From rust to perfection. A flawless surface, ready to become complete again. Every detail restored to brilliance. Control returns to its hands. Its vision fully restored.
Every connection brings it closer to life.
Strong beneath, perfect above.
Movement restored with precision.
Not a trace of dust remains, only perfection.
After every bolt comes the moment of truth.
A silent machine, ready to awaken. Silent for years, now breathing again.
Everything comes alive again.
It moves as if it never broke.
From silence to the open world.
A forgotten legend, reborn in perfection. A forgotten legend, reborn in perfection. From abandonment to eternal motion.